Have you ever wondered how those big commercial kitchens get such perfect, consistent results, at a massive scale? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on a piece of equipment that is, and I'm not exaggerating here, a total game changer. We're talking speed, consistency, and absolute precision.
But first, let me ask you something. What's the real secret to the perfect sausage? Or, say, the smoothest pâté you've ever had? You might think it's some rare spice or a secret family recipe. But the real answer? It's all about a perfectly executed process. And well, that's where things can get really challenging.
All right, so let's dive right in. Any professional kitchen, any butcher shop, any catering service out there, they all face the same kinds of problems with prep work, especially when the orders start piling up.
You know the drill, right? Are you tired of spending just countless hours chopping by hand? Are you frustrated when one batch comes out great and the next one, not so much? That inconsistency can really hurt your reputation. It's this constant battle, trying to keep up with high-volume demands while also making sure the quality is top-notch. These are the real headaches that keep chefs up at night.
Okay, but what if I told you that one single machine could basically solve all of these problems at once? What if there was a way to guarantee consistency, save just massive amounts of time, and take your final product to a whole new level? Well, there is.
So, meet the hero of our story, the commercial 40-liter electric bowl cutter. And listen, this is not just another kitchen gadget. It's a true game changer. And for a really good reason. It's built from the ground up to handle the toughest jobs with some seriously incredible efficiency.
And I know what you're thinking. You see the word cutter and you figure, okay, it chops things. But oh, its capabilities go so much further than that. This machine is a multifunctional powerhouse, and trust me, the name only tells you part of the story. First off, let's just talk about scale. 40 liters. I mean, pause and think about that for a second. That is a massive capacity. This completely gets rid of the need to do tiny, inefficient batches over and over again. For any medium or large-size operation, this right here is the key to handling high volume like it's nothing. And here's where you really start to see its incredible versatility. As a chopper, it just plows through tough cuts of meat and dense vegetables without even breaking a sweat. As a mixer, it makes sure every single ingredient is perfectly combined. It even works as a vegetable cutter, which means you're taking what would normally be 3 separate, really time-consuming steps and rolling them all into one super efficient process. But, and this is a big one, here is where this machine truly shines. Its most amazing feature, the one thing that's pretty much impossible to do by hand, is its ability to create the perfect emulsification.
So what on earth is emulsification? Well, think of it like this. It's the magic of taking ingredients that absolutely do not want to mix, we're talking things like fat and water, and turning them into a completely smooth, stable, and uniform texture. Think about gourmet sausages or those fine meat spreads. For those products, the texture is absolutely everything.
And you can literally see the difference right here. A manual attempt, it often ends up uneven, kind of coarse. But the bowl cutter, it delivers a silky and uniform product every single time. Its blades move at such a high speed that they create this immense force that breaks ingredients down to an almost microscopic level. That's how you get that perfect, stable blend that's just impossible to achieve by hand.
This machine creates a silky, uniform texture impossible to achieve manually. And that's really the crucial point here. This isn't just about making the job easier. It's about reaching a level of quality that is, quite frankly, otherwise completely out of reach.
Okay, so we've seen what it can do for the food itself. Now let's look at this like a business decision. Investing in a machine like this, it's about more than just buying a piece of equipment. It's about investing in the entire future of your operation.
And here's the payoff. And it's a pretty sweet deal. It happens in 3 simple steps. First, your productivity just skyrockets. A job that used to take hours now takes minutes. That leads you right to step 2, huge savings on labor costs. And with all that new free time and rock-solid consistency, you can confidently go to step 3, expanding your menu with awesome new, high-quality products. And of course, an investment like this has to be durable. These machines are absolute workhorses, built with commercial-grade materials, usually high-quality stainless steel. They're designed for the long haul. And just as important, they're designed for easy cleaning, so you can meet the strictest hygiene standards. It's a smart, reliable, and safe investment.
So, this brings us all the way back to our original question.
Maybe the secret to that perfect sausage isn't a rare spice or an old family recipe. Maybe, in the modern commercial kitchen, the real secret ingredient is technology. Technology that gives you the power to achieve perfection every single time. What do you think?